This is my assessment or my assignment for week 2. I did run into multiple errors this week and problems, and I tried to navigate them as best as I could. I ended up having to uninstall and reinstall stamps several times. I followed along with the tutorials during the first week, and I had it reading properly and working properly. It said localhost up in the web browser, but when I moved it over, when I worked with it in this week in Visual Studio, it kept saying that it was going to my C drive, so I had to spend some time troubleshooting that. And like I said, I ended up uninstalling, reinstalling the program, and finally got it to work properly again. Or so I thought. So I went ahead and created my Acme folders. So I do have a common folder in that I have my footer information, I have the header information, I do have a style sheet, I have the images. As you can see, they're showing up. All of them are in here. I have my template, which is right here, and it is pulling over to reference this information. And then I have my homepage that I have been working on, and here is my code for that. My problem that I have right now is that it won't connect to the style sheet or any of the images. And I've been trying to figure that out, and I have not been able to. And so when I run my program, it's not styled. And it's not pulling over the header or the footer information. So I am not sure exactly what I have done wrong, other than wait too long to ask for help. So I wanted to get something turned in this week, and I'm hoping that if you have some time available next week, perhaps meeting with you or one of the tutors and just trying to get this figured out, what I did wrong, why it's not connecting, and getting this fixed so that I don't have this issue going forward. I really do like working in HTML and CSS, and this has been kind of frustrating for me. So I wanted to get this to you, and I will try working on it and seeing if I can get it to work properly and get it fixed. So sorry that it looks like junk. I'm not really happy with it. I'm kind of frustrated at this moment. Like I said, I don't know what the problem is or why it's not working. Learned a lot about Visual Studio Code, and but it's just not enough. So anyway, thanks for listening.